Good morning, students. Today your class is a biology in class 12th. The subject biology, topic in transcriptions. Already I have discussed about transcriptions. Today we will discuss which part of the DNA is participate in transcription, because if someone asking the transcriptions in transcription means which part of the DNA participate in transcriptions. You know that the DNA having to 3 and to 5 and templates means, so we will firstly 3 end to 5 ends. This part AT, GC, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, so this part is called to template part, template. Then AT, TA, GC, G, T, A, GC, G, A, this part is called coding part. Coding means this is coding. Then this is template part, this is coding part. If RNA happens, mRNA, then how to templates happens? mRNA, these things happens 5 into adenine to uracil means these things, adenine ka thymine to uracil, thymine to A, guanine ka cytosine, uracil, adenine, cytosine, guanine, uracil and adenine. This is things happen to mRNA. Means after that, whatever the unit, structural unit participate, because we discuss about which part of whole DNA is not participate to transcriptions, whole DNA. So which part of the then transcriptional units, so transcriptional units, first promoter, second structural, then third termination. These 3 steps means promoter, structurals and terminations genes involved to this thing. Then how to proceed? We will prepare to hear these types 3 into 5 into means After that, here is a start point, start site. So these things we can told. Start site to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then after that, so these things told the downstream. This is downstream O. This is upstream area. Upstream area. Or here is a termination area. Termination area. Termination point. So you know that start point to termination point called structural genes. Structural gene area, structural genes area. Then here -1, -2, the -10 part is a Tata box. Tata box also called because these things is just discovered to Piranhau. The Piranhau box also called these things. Piranhau box. Piranhau box. After that, here -35 point is called to TT. GACA means thymine, guanine, adenosine, cytosine, adenosine. So these things Hogness box called starting point is a downstream to means these things is called to downstream, upstream, this is to downstreams. So means where is the startings, promoters, structurals. So these things is called to start is promoter site. You know that DNA which part of the so where is starting to promoter site in DNA 35 into in there means 10 -10 point there is a Tata box and TTGACA. After that where to RNA polymerase या mRNA attach, how to sigma factors in fork is opens. So these things happens means RNA polymerase helps to RNA polymerase DNA dependent enzymes. RNA polymerase DNA dependent enzymes I already discussed कि RNA polymerase rRNA first RNA polymerase first RNA polymerase second RNA polymerase third transfer RNA. After that how to fork is have close to means these things is a these things create open the fork. The sigma factors to close the this thing. After that in prokaryotes initiations sigma factor attached, initiations, elongation and terminations means attach, synthesis and termination. Sigma factors these things involve to hydrogen bond. In hydrogen bond in here you know that adenine thymine is a double hydrogen bond and guanine cytosines is a triple hydrogen bonds means like this. This is very important. If you not learn to earlier chapter what is DNA, DNA bonding, nucleotides, या first transcriptions not seen my video, then you cannot understand these things because this is a molecular biology. This is very important. If your exams in board exams come, this is everything is come for long answer terms ki what is a transcription described to every step prokaryotes eukaryotes. So I just inform this thing sometime asking someone in your exams ki which part of the DNA is a participate in transcription. So these things happens. This fork is broken, then sigma factor attached to start to initiations, means sigma is attached, initiation, sigma attached and fork happens whenever synthesize elongations synthesized, your synthesis happens, then remove to these things in termination. This is Agnus box, Pribnov box. Sometimes very deep in competitive levels in asking what is a Tata box, is a TT Gaga box. In this is terminations means sigma release, sigma factors release. So this is your complete to some transcriptions. Okay friend, thank you.